How much do you love Maria Catherine?
1,000,000% po. 1,000,000% po.
1,000,000%. What about you, Maria Catherine? How much do you love Mark?
Unconditional po. Siguro yung love na nararamdaman ko sa kanya is yung love na binibigay po ni God sa akin.
Please sit down.
4 years ago, when I lost my dad, I felt truly lost and weighed down by mistakes and bad decisions. But there was a small light of hope he left me, a reminder of his dream for me to go to England. Little did I know that this journey would lead me to love life again. Who wouldn't have thought that the man sitting behind me in Istanbul airport, the one who would become my biking and hiking partner, my constant companion on long trips, my friend in adjusting to life abroad, and my best friend, would be standing here today as my husband.
Narinig ko yun. Narinig ng mga kaibigan nyo, narinig ng mga magulang, narinig pa ng mga sisters. No? And God heard it. God heard what you said.
May 2021, nagpunta ako ng UK dahil sa career opportunity at dahil gusto kong ma-experience ang buhay sa ibang bansa. Pero hindi lang pala magandang career ang binigay sa akin ni Lord. Pinakilala ka din niya sa akin.
Naalala ko pa noon, kapag nagbabike o kaya nag-hike tayo, minsan tinatanong ko sa sarili ko, hanggang kailan kaya kita susundan? Kasi ang daming mga nakapilang nanliligaw sa'yo nun eh. At talagang ang hirap sumingit. Hanggang sa isang araw, yun nga, nakasalis si moves ako sa kanila. At naging tayo na as a couple.
Mark, it's amazing what happens when God moves in your life. I may have lost my dad, but having you in my life is one of the ways God has shown me His love and reminded me that He never leave my side.
I hope this is something that you will remember all the rest of your life. That at this place, at this time, on this day, you said that you love each other more than life itself.
Dami ng challenges at napagdaanan na natin. Mas nakilala natin ang isa't isa, lalo na nung tumira tayo sa iisang bahay. Kapag may mga problema tayo, lagi nating isipin at tandaan na it's not you versus me. It's you and me versus the problem.
You've been with me all along, always on my side, you've never gone.
Madami na tayong mga napagdaanan at for sure, madami pa tayong may experience sa buhay.
You give more, so you are being blessed more. Yun.
Thanks, Mom.
Tumikap ko na tulad.
You've been with me when I laugh or cry. Anywhere I stood, you were standing by. With me when I'm fine, with me when I'm not.
Mark, it's your day. Pagmahalan kayo. Magkaintindihan.
Pero Mark ako, hindi Mark. Mark ako, hindi Mark.
Always on my side, you've never gone. You've been with me all along.
Mark, see you later. Love you. Bye.
Hello, Kat. Dahil mahilig tayong mag-hiking at pumunta sa iba't ibang lugar, action camera ang gift na napili ko para sa'yo. Para siguradong maganda ang pictures at videos ng mga memories natin na magkasama. I love you. See you later.
You've been with me all along, long, 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 always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. Where others would be gone, you stayed with me all along.
Kaya naman, ang promise ko sa'yo ay lagi kitang pipiliin. Through ups and downs, kahit dumating pa yung mga pagkakataong mahirap kang mahalin, lagi mong tatandaan na with the Lord's blessings, lagi kitang mamahalin at pipiliin magpakailanman. Mahal na mahal kita, Kat.
I will choose you every single day, again and again. I promise to stand by you, even in the hardest times, and to face whatever life brings us together. I love you so much, Mark.
You've been with me all along, long, long, long.